So our today's question is how to use QuestaSim for Verilog, SystemVerilog or UVM. So first of all, I will answer this using any tool, and I will be using a tool which is mostly used in our industries, but I will not use my own company tool because it will have some problems. So right now I will use VMware, and I will tell you how to use any tool. First of all, you have to use only terminal, and as you have seen, I have used ls command for which library we want to use, and for now we are using .sv comparator.sv, and I have created some testbench for tv comparator.sv, and you can also see the VAMS file. So for now you can see that this method is applicable for any kind of language. It is not limited to SV, Verilog, Python. If you have created .python file, then you can use .python file. That is not our issue. Now how to use it? First of all, you can create vi. For example, I am using example word example.sv. so this is, we have created some file. You can write here your code. We will just quit this file. Okay, now you can see there is our example where is it is. Okay, so I haven't written anything, but yeah, here it is, example.sv. so I haven't written anything inside that file. So similarly, you can just create file and you can include your code and testbench, everything in that. So similar to that, I have created this sp file comparator and this tvsc file, and this instance of this comparator.sv is inside this our tv comparator.sv file. Now what you have to do, first thing is your source your .bash rc file, or you can say bash rc file. Okay, so bash rc file has all of your path and all of where your tool is inside, your Linux or Red Hat or anything, whichever your server is. So it has your path and everything. So you have to first source your terminal that it can get every path and everything inside that. Now you can use your tool. So how to use tool? For now, this tool has extend command, different tool has different command. You can just search it and you will find what the command is. Okay, so for now we are using extend command, and then we are comparator.sv. simple. Now extend command comparator.sv, we are just compiling our code. Okay, here we have compiled our code. Now we are using testbench to run. Okay. Now we have run our testbench. Okay, here we are running our testbench. Okay, testbench is also now if you just write -GUI, you can also see waveform.
Hit subscribe, like, and comment now. Let's begin the journey of verification.
In this way you can learn tool, and I am waiting for your another comments. Thank you.
Please Lord, give me a sign,